Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some tea. Yes, some ginger and turmeric tea. And here are my little itty bitty ingredients that I will be using. So let's cut up some ginger first, right? Well, let's cut off the stubbles and the end. And then we are gonna get a spoon and get the peeling the ginger. So ginger, yes, good ginger. So ginger is loaded with antioxidants. It aids in digestion, reduce nausea. So for my little pregnant friends, you can use it. It helps fight flu and common cold, right? And it also helps to fight chronic disease such as like high blood pressure, heart disease, disease of the lungs, and of course it helps to promote healthy aging. And who don't want to age good? Me, I want to age good. I want to age is goodies, okay? So next we have turmeric. Good turmeric. I loves me some turmeric. This is a relative of ginger, by the way. What do you think? Cousins? I think cousins maybe, right? So turmeric is a superfood and it also has antioxidant properties as well, right? And some of the benefits of turmeric, it lessens inflammation, improve memory, lessen pain, and lower the risk of heart disease, right? So it has a lot of benefits. You can do your Google search, look at it, looks so good. You can do your research and come up with more stuff, right? So this is it all done. Now we're gonna cut them up. So this part you don't necessarily have to do, but I like to do it this way, right? Yeah, I like to do it this way. I guess you can beat them up. You take something heavy and beat up the ginger to kind of mash it out, squish it out, but I don't want to do that. I like cutting it up this way and getting all the stuff, right? All my extra nutrients and stuff. So I use 254 grams of ginger and 177 grams of turmeric. So yeah, if there's anything else that you want to know about why you use these together, trust me, you can do a Google search. But I'm telling you, Vibes Sam, this tea right here is so good. It does all the stuff. I mean, I love it. Love it. And I drink it quite a bit too, right? And even, if you feel like you're not feeling so well, make you a cups. Look at this, so nice and neat. So here I'm measuring out 8 cups of water. So I use my regular teacup and measure out 8 cups of water, right? So catch water into it 8 times and then put it to boil. So we're going to cover this, bring it to a boil. When it comes to a boil though, it might want to boil over, so just take off the cover and kind of catch it to the side, right? But first, let's add some, what's it called? Black pepper. So black pepper helps to activate the turmeric. So you need to add some black pepper to this tea, right? And give it a stir. And then what we're gonna do, we're going to turn off the stove. So let it boil for like 5 more minutes. Once it come to a boil, give it about 5 more minutes on low, and then turn off the stove and leave it to steep for about 25 minutes, right? And here we are, all done. Mix it up, and I'm gonna pour you all a cup. I'm gonna pour you a cup of tea. Nonsense. Yes, I'm gonna pour you a cup of tea. So here is my little strainer, because of course I don't want all them stuff that's in the bottom of it. To get into my tea. So yes, pour it out. Look there, dregs. Look at drugs. We don't do drugs. No, put that to the side, okay? So this is what elevates the tea vibes, fam. I promise you. Some honey, and honey is a natural sweetener. It is also used as an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial agent, and it is used to treat cough. So honey is like the best stuff for if you're having cold or flu or whatever, just like the tea. But yeah, vibes fam, and vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious, amazing cup of ginger and turmeric tea with all the goodness of some honey, nastiness, sweetness, treats, right? And it tastes amazing. I promise you, as long as you sweeten it right, make sure you can taste the honey. Well, do what is good for you. But Vibes Farm, I promise you, it is so good. It not only tastes good, it is good for you. But yeah, comment down below and let me know, would you try this? And if you're not feeling well, just give it a shot, right? And see. And you can drink it cold, you can drink it hot, whichever way. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please go and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.